Hello friend, I am Ajay Kumar Srivastava. Today my topic is Computer Network Session 2 Web Technology. What is computer network? When we are connected to or more computer, that is called computer network. System 1, System 2. That is a computer network. What is the main advantage of computer network? Number 1, file sharing. Number 2, resource sharing. Number 3, data communication. Number 3, save price. 4 advantage in computer network. It is the main advantage of computer network. How many categories defined in computer network? 3 main categories define computer network. LAN, WAN, MAN. What is the full form of LAN? LAN stands for local area network. It is used in single room. It is established in single building. It is a limitation 1 to 5 kilometer. Second number, WAN. It is stand for wide area network. It is referred to LAN and MAN. Both are connected to each other. MAN stand for metropolitan area network. It is used for connected 2 or more LAN network. Some category are another defined: CAN, PAN. What is full form of CAN? CAN stand for campus area network. PAN stand for personal area network. CAN used for in campus. It is connected 2 or more LAN network in one campus. PAN stand for personal area network. It is used for personal network as a like mobile to laptop. We are connected each other. Computer network established with topology. What is topology? What is topology? Topology is a structure of computer network. We are arrangement of network with topology. How many categories defined in topology? Three topology is main category of topology. Means bus topology, ring topology, star topology. Three topology is a main topology in computer network. Number one, bus topology. Bus topology is a linear topology. All computers are connected with single cable. What is the advantage of bus topology? Bus topology having main advantage low cost. What is the disadvantage of bus topology? Bus topology having main disadvantage for if any break in single cable या both direction was connected to bone, if having any problem or anywhere, all network are damaged. Means लैन नेटवर्क में कहीं पे भी कोई भी केबल में किसी भी प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम यदि क्रिएट हो जाती है तो पूरा नेटवर्क जो है वो डैमेज हो जाता है. नंबर टू, रिंग टोपोलॉजी. रिंग टोपोलॉजी में all computers are connected to circle area. What is the main advantage of ring topology? The main advantage of ring topology, data communication is two-sided. But disadvantage of ring topology, if any system are damaged या any system are not working mode, all network are damaged. But third, star topology. Star topology are connected to central node. System 1, System 2, System 3, System 4. All systems are connected to central node. What is the advantage of star topology? The main advantage of star topology is we are finding error easily. What is the disadvantage of star topology? Star topology having disadvantage for it is a costly topology. Next topic we are moving. Other topology, mesh topology and tree topology. Both topology are combination of ring, star and bus. Mesh topology all computers are connected to each other. It is a maze topology. Tree topology is a combination of star topology and bus topology. Next topic. How can data transfer with computer network? What is the using protocol? Yeah. Why we are using protocol? What is protocol? Protocol is a set of rules. Means प्रोटोकॉल एक रूल्स को बनाने का काम करता है. डेटा कम्युनिकेशन में जो भी डेटा कम्युनिकेशन का मीडियम होता है उसे सेट करता है. प्रोटोकॉल इज अ सेट ऑफ रूल्स. व्हिच प्रोटोकॉल यूज फॉर डेटा ट्रांसफरिंग? टीसीपी आईपी protocol. It is a main protocol used for data transferring. TCP stand for Transmission Control Protocol. IP stand for Internet Protocol. What is Internet? Internet is a connected all computer in global network. Some other protocol having using computer network as a like FTP. FTP stand for File Transfer Protocol. It is used for downloading and uploading file on server. SMTP, POP protocol. What is the full form of SMTP protocol? SMTP protocol stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is used for transferring data. POP protocol stand for Post Office Protocol. It is used for incoming data. Thank you.